it was Sunday. I won't forget that day. Sunday, ngibele taxi ngemsebenzini. Ngibelwe inyoka eTaxini. Yes, ngihleli manje eTaxini but ngibhizi phone and angisumuntu ofaka ama e-gate or ama-rock ngithi ngizithandela ama-bro. Hayi man ngiyazwa lento iyabanda yabo. But anginaki. Hayi man, ngibhizi phone. Kube khona into ethi bheka because manje ngoba lento iyakhuphuka. Malibheka, hey sengiyakhala manje. Yo inyoka. I-taxi imi. Umuntu oyi-one nje wangi-understand. U-drive. Abana mazela but it's the first seat bese kuba i-second one, the third one. Ngihleli ngapha ekhoneni bese kuba ngathi passage nyane bese kuba i-back seat.
Yes.
Nje uthi wonke umuntu even nabase-back seat baphuma baleka bafuna le nyoka.
Engekho.
And manje sengifana nomuntu ohlanyayo yabo. Nami ngiyazibheka ukuthi kahle ngiyahlanya or kwenzakalani nami.
Greetings and salutation. This is podcast Hlapi Kamala Move Elements. We are back again with another episode. Note that we are on the road to 30K. Tell everyone you know Uguti they should come and subscribe and like and share and comment so we can celebrate 30K together. And also Uguti, we are available on Spotify. There is a link in the description. You take the link and you listen to the podcast on Spotify. Without further of wasting time, ladies and gents, boys and girls, Mkhulu Amos is in the building. Wow, hey, Kamala yazlimnadi mara like galkosha. Why ngilkosha Nkosi yami? Because straightforward, I know many Amoses and many of them are men. Yeah.
Truly.
Why yours is Amos but you are a woman?
Betwe amakhehla. So kwa appear le gama lela ka Amos. So kahle igama lami lokuzalwa no N. But ngoba ke sengibethwa amakhehla ngihambile ngayothwasa. After ukuthwasa ngathwasa umndawo, after umndawo kwaba amanzi. So initially ngisebenzisa yena lo Amos. So ngaziwa ngo Amos, Mkhulu Amos because of it's more like you crashing in entweni eziningi. So ku appear this Amos.
Kaningi ne.
Yes.
But yazi Amos mse akuzwakala kuligama lo lokuthwasa or yabo because like Amos is like someone's name igama someone lokuzalwa. So umkhulu wakho lokumbethe igama lakhe lokuzalwa or vele yena bekungumuntu.
Mkhulu lo ongibethe ne igama lakhe lokuzalwa boku Amos. Originally yena bekathwasile. So I think angithi mokuthwasa kunama levels.
Yeah.
So I think yena masekabuya ufuna ukubizwa ngegama lakhe ucrash at this other name bekazibiza ngalo. Only to find out ukuthi bika isoja nokuba isoja yabo. So
ngathi siwazi okuningi ngaye ne.
Kakhulu. Angithi uyafika yena as appearance ukuthi okay mina udila nomuntu so. Usually monedlozi ne lona liyazizela. Likhulume nawe. Lichazela ukuthi ubani. So most of the time anyeke maybe uzohlola kimi ngokutshela ukuthi unedlozi which wena ongazi ukuthi kanjani. Yabo because kumele ube nama signs. Kumele ube nalomuntu okhuluma nawe. Your inner speaks to you more than anything. So you must listen to that.
That voice, ne?
That voice.
She's ignore.
And it's not say ignore isikhathini esiningi.
So yes.
Yes, bhektisayo. Because asilandeli.
Asikuthome phasi kuhle singayiphezulu sesiyikhanga phezulu ke nje. Uphuma kuphi Mkhulu Amos?
Okay, ngokuzalwa ngiphuma eThembisa.
Khona la.
Khona la.
All right.
Yes. So yeah, nakhona manje ngisasethembisa.
Okay. Yeah. So impilo yakho beyinjani masakhula, you know? I'm sure you both thandela nje izinto ezinice like everybody else. How was your life then?
Yo, mengisakhula ne. But I was a different child because bengadlali.
Bungadlali?
Bengadlali nabanye abantwana. Yabo lokuthi manje bayodlala umgusha nani I know. Ngikhule in a different way. Ngihlala endlini nabo nogogo nomkhulu kakhulu, ne? And there was this thing nje ngami different. Nami I couldn't understand it ukuthi kwenzakalani ngami.
You didn't even know it?
I didn't even know it ukuthi nginedlozi and you would keep on dreaming. And most uzobaxoxela ukuthi ngiphuphe lokho. Like hey wena man there's something odd ngawo kwenzakalani. And ngathi isikhathi leso ugogo wami ikhalati. Okay. so akabhiliveli kulezinto
Yeah.
abazazi kahle kahle ziqale ngami
Who was letting ekhaya?
yimi ngizilethe ekhaya and only to find out ukuthi lo mkhulu Amos wakhabo baba
Oh.
and mina ngapha ngikhulela kuphi khabo
Ekhabo
mama
mama,
so kuba nzima ukuthi manje kubalance ukuthi how kanjani because thina la endlini asazi kunesangoma so kusho ukuthi kunesangoma kuzoqala ngawe yebo so I was like hey kusho ukuthi maybe ngiyahlanya I remember there was one point ngihlala nomama endlini umama afike ukuthi ufuna ukuthengisa indlu akasitsheli surprise hey kufike lo mkhulu angithi nama ngimazi ndo Amos lo afike lo mkhulu amephambi komnyanga ngathi ungincede njengoba bafuna ukuhamba la bafuna ukuthengisa lento bangayithengisi ayi yimi lo ngokuphapha ngamtshela ayi umama mangigwadela kusho ukuthi wena uvula izinto zami uyachecka nani like I know mama mathi wazi kanjani ukuthi ngiyothenga indlu ngithi no ngiyazi ukuthi uzothenga indlu and la bathi kungasali kungashiwa kuthengisiwe lendlu kumele kusale mina ngazi nami ukuthi kanjani ayikufinyelela ukuthi athi kimi asambi ngiyonibonisa mina nosisi wami asambi ngiyonibonisa la ngithenge khona indlu okay ayisambe vile siye la athenge khona indlu ayikakakhiwe ne sasenje eground ngifike ngithi yazi ngizogidela la but nami ngingazi ukuthi ngishiso yini ngishelo nje
How old are you by that time?
by that time I think I was 20 yeah because it was saying na 21 naqeda ngina 22
Okay.
yeah I was 20 so ngizogidela la mama I'm like I should bangangithathe serious yakhiwe indlu kufanele manje kumuvele ukuthi into the new house siye ku the new house ayikula ngiqale khona ke manje so kuba istory ke manje ngami la esiziqinisa khona ke bengisebenza salon kabhuti wami eDavidton ngelinganga it was Sunday I want to forget that day Sunday ngibele taxi ngemsebenzini ay ngibelwe inyoka etaxini yes ngihleli manje taxi but ngibusiness phone and angisumuntu ofaka gate or ama-rock ngithi ngizithandela ama-bro hayi man ngiyazwa lento iyabanda yabo but anginaki hayi man business phone ayi kube khona into ethi bheka because manje ngoba lento iyakhuphuka malibheka hey sengiyakhala manje yo inyoka itaxi imi umuntu oyi-1 nje wangi-understand udriver abana mazola but it's the first seat bese kuba i-second one the third one ngihleli ngapha ekhoneni bese kuba ngathi iphasseat nyana bese kuba i-back
seat, yes.
nje uthi wonke umuntu even nabase-back seat baphuma baleka bafuna le nyoka engekho and manje sengifana nomuntu ohlanyayo yabo nami ngiyazipheka ukuthi kahle ngiyahlanya or kwenzakalani ngami athi lo driver lo sisicela uzohlala phambili ayi ngeze ngizohlala phambili athi uyapi ngithi hayi ngesquare ngiya Davidton no ngithi wena ehlisa nesquareni yeah ngithi mina no ngiya Highfield kunendawo so
okay
ngiyakhona athi hayi ungayehli hlala la mas ayifika itaxi esquareni bayehla abantu khona abantu bakhuluma ngawo uhleli abanye bathi amadimoni abanye bathi abantu sengilaughing stock manje nami angisazi ukuthi ngiconcentrate ngifonele endlini ngithini but manje like umqondo ngathi uhambile hayi ngayinayo yonke lento le ngihlalele angihlisi athi uzoba right la ngithi hayi ngizoba right na isalon lapha ngijump isikontiri ngene esalon mengene esalon nakhona futhi la bengisebenza nabafana alright enzo ngithi sharp ngisharp ayi mara mengihleli ngibheka ku grass nayi lenyoka again sengisaba ukubatshela manje ukuthi guys hey yazi ngibona inyoka and sengisaba ukubatshela ukuthi etaxini kwenzakaleni because of i-reaction abantu base-taxini ingenze ngafeel ukuthi kusho ukuthi kahle unyahlanya
there
is something wrong ngami
yeah
yabo kufike umqondo ukuthi hayi man kunenye client ngaliphupha that client ngaliphupha lifaka ubuhlalo after 3 days la ngena but lingena ngafakanga ubuhlalo but we the same person ngithi kuye yazi ngikhe ngakuphupha man into ngimara ngiphupha unobuhlalo kanje athi hayi nabo vela abantu abadala awu mara ngakathwasi nani kufike yena mase ngihleli esaloni akusasebenzeki phela manje sengifisa ngathi manje ngathi ngicela ubuyele emuva ngekhaya or ini yabo hayi ngimfonela athi kimi hayi ngicela mochayisa uze seyiso mind you I don't know David John by that time ngithi mina okay fine ngizoze seyiso ngiye seyiso yakhona after ngichayisa ngo3 ngihambe ngisayiso ngifike ngithola umunye umfana ngimele ngiye straight kulo mfana angimazi nalo mfana loyo ngiye straight kuye ngithi I think bangithumele ku athi awusisi wami kumele endlini sihamba endlini sifike endlini athi ithi ngithatha ngimikise kumuntu wesintu sifike kumuntu wesintu I remember very well hleli phansi bathi ngibeka imali ngiyayibeka bayangihlola bathi ayi ono nabantu abadala mina nabantu abadala uyangihlanyela lo baba ngidonsa imali yami thatha imali yami lapha ngifake esikhwameni umngane sakathi yathi yazwa kanjalo lo baba athi hayi miya lo akusingasikudala uzobiseka ithwasa lo angembekela isikhathi eside lo uzohamba yothwasa nje mikela aso sambi isikhathi I think by then it was before August because August ngathenga imoto mengithenga imoto kanti kula ngi-invite khona ama problems ke manje kusho ukuthi bona bayitshelani bangiphi imali ukuthi hamba uyothwasa mina ngithatha imali ngiyothenga imoto mengithenga imoto lapho mase nginenkinga kwani imvula angikwazi ukudrive sekenzekala nje izinto eziningi sengingahlala nawe ngibonile izinto zakho mengihleli nawe ngibona inyoka igroundile yabo so ngizibone ukuthi kusho ukuthi ngiyahlanyeka amampela ayingiqale manje sengiyagula angisazazi nami ukuthi ngiphethwe yini kwenzakalani funniest mengaya ku doctor ngiba worse kumele ngihlale endlini kuze kufike khona elinye iphupho belinokufika kimi lo muntu lo kumele afike khona elinye ibhayiso cishe libali ngeso
okay
angishaye ngalo mangangishaya ngalo then ngiyaphola
njalo nje
angiyi ku doctor ngizoba right
so jwayele ukuthi wagula vele kufika lo baba ukuphusa ngebhayi
yeah but ubuye emanzini like yabo kuhambelana konke namanzi yabo hayi okay ngizibuza ukuthi I wonder ukuthi kwenzakalani and mind you anginamuntu engicommunicate naye ukuthi this is what is happening to me yabo mase kusomile ngenzeni because endlini nje kuba hayi eniyahlanya ayikho le yakhe yabo kufika isikhathi I remember ngayothwasa nge17 nge16 samba so jive esalon besenze party nge17 it was late so chayisa ngabo 6 so butwa muthi kimi ngimele une client kunemvule langa la khona so I hear voices zikhuluma nami ukuthi yabona today njengoba ustabona angeke uzufike endlini lemvula mina ine strong ngalendlela ukuthi ngithi like angeke ukhona ukubona ngaphandle yabona mina ngathi uzothi kanjani kunentuthu
yes
yeah but insist ke manje ukuthi hayi mina ngifuna ukuhamba ngisazifuni la abhuta amazangekele ngene emotweni mangene emotweni ngidrive ngithi ngiyofika before ngiphuma nokuphuma eDavidson angazi ngithene kanjani imoto yayopaka la mina ngirealize khona ukuthi ngimile kula bengiyothwasa khona hey ngihlala I'm like hey mengima ithuli imvula I'm like no but la kusekhaya mos ngifunani la ngistart imoto iqalele phansi how and then sokuyimi futhi and then manje cima imoto manje sekuba ngathi namehlo yabo sewa ready sokungathi manje ngidakiwe mengena ngithola ngihlangabezwa amanye amantombazana ayi2 kugcwele amathwasana nje lapho hlangabezwa amanye amantombazana ayi2 final ufikile wena mina ngifikile xehle kulabo abathini labo ngithi guys azicela ningincedeni ningifoneleleni umamami because angisakhona ikhamba ngistakile la but hayi simele ugobela athi amikeleni lo fonelani umama khe nimtshela ukuthi la bafonela umamami bamdirect up until aze afike bamtshela ukuthi umntanakho uphethwe ingula amadlozi kumele yashayelwe kwakula kwaphuma khona igama laka Amos so Amos ufika kanjalo so sengakwafinyela ukuthi manje sengiyathwasa bathi hayi thathani yonke into yakhe I remember mengivuka ekseni sengifaka amabhayi abovu sebangifaka ubuhlalo awuseso angiseso kanjani no so umkhulu Amos kufika ikhehla lakho lathi umkhulu Amos uyathwasa wena so I'm like hawu kanjani yo ngakhali langa lakhona
I'm sure it was hard for you to accept it
It is it's more like ngathi bathu ne cancer into because into ekufanele manje uphile ngayo like kama mpela why lento ingachoose ngomunye umuntu
Why mina?
izochoose mina kanjani ngithe ukuthi awukho umthandazo bengawuthandazi
Ngicabanga ukuthi
izohamba kanti kule mo uyenza ukuthi ngathi ba strong ngihlale I think ngihlale 7 months mase ngizophuma ke ngiphume kube kahle nakhona mase ngiphuma ngibatshele futhi endlini ukuthi hayi la ngihlala la bengithe ngiyogidela khona azangihlale vele isikhathi eside I think ngihlale 1 month after 1 month kwafanele ngibuyele kule khaya leli bebathi lingathengiswa
yes
kumele ngiyohlala kulo hayi ngibuyele nakhona kulelo khaya kuyenza umunye umsebenzi ngibuyele ngohlala khona ngakhindumba khona that's when ngathi manje ngiyasebenza nyana mina mengithwasa benginamathwasana wami i4
okay
remember
whoa mawuthwasa already bese unamathwasana
yes
kanjani
kuyenzakalela automatically because I remember ngapha ngisebenza salon ngapha ngiyathwasa so bebangala ukuthi ngihambe ngemsebenzini ngapha ngibese ngiyabuya ngiyathwasa so I would grab ama client you understand and wona bewazizela angazi bewoba attracted kanjani kimi because mingiya salon bengifaka iskate ngaphansi ngifake le ebhayilabo elibovu so ngibonakala nje kuphela ngobuhlali
yeah
hayi but end up nginamathwasa nala bengithwasa khona bebangasangibiza ngigama la ka Amos sebangibiza ngomaqaqazi it's so like when you could sense into ekude so nginale problem ukuthi ngiyakhona ukufila ukuthi ucabangani
serious okay ngicabanga
no it's like that kuba kanjalo and if ibhlungu
yeah ne
ibhlungu because of if ngiphambi kwakho and you have this negative thoughts about me
yeah
I can sense it yes
yakutshela
so
lento
most of the time ikihlalisa uyi1 uzifuna uyi1 awuzifuni une crowd
I'm sure nabangana unabo
anginabo
yeah
the only friend that I have is my mom
which is good
wherever I go see too
yeah
because noma sixabana and saxabana ke kakhulu but sengizengijwayele ke ukuthi hayi no umuntu engiphila naye nini ngiziphilela ngiyi1
okay sanemanzini ke wangena kanjani
okay before yasemanzini
ufuna explain le into details
yeah tsi explain le yokuthwasa ne
yes
then yokuthwasa okay ngathwasa kwaqeda and then nalamathwasa waphuma and then after wona ngangenelwa amanye futhi I had to take them to Gobela because mina in my mind I still have this thing ukuthi mina ngiyayindlulisa this thing angifuni bangipha amanye amathwasa ngathatha ngamikisa kuGobela hamba uGobela wathwasise mina ngiziqhubekele nempilo yami kuzoba ngathi kuphozile kuzoba ngathi hayi yonke into isase right up until futhi bona futhi bavuka ukuthi no uyahlanya sesikuphi isikhathi eside like yo okay kufike manje sekufika sengihlushwa umndawo which ngapha previously babatheni sikuthwasisile umndawo so ngifuna abantu ba understand ukuthi idlozi umndawo isithunywa samanzi azifani zizi different and zonke ziza ngesikhathi sazo you understand
okay
fika isikhathi manje sengihlushwa umndawo wherever I go bangitshela ngomndawo ufanele ulungiswe
kanti lokuthwasela ube uthwasele ini
should bengithwasela amanguni
kunamanguni kunomndawo
nomdiki bese kuba nesithunywa then bese kuba nabanikazi bamanzi
all right
so yebo ukuthi ziningi so cabanga mabazothi uziphethe zonke
uyasindelwa
yeah so uvela ubone nje ukuthi I'm living in hell kahle
so what happened bathi ufanele uthwasela umndawo kwenzakalani
babathi uthwasela umndawo bese ngaseke Davidson bese nginesalon yami eThembisa okay yavala
isalon
yeah kashabalala yonke into one thing ngomndawo ke ushabalalisa yonke into kushabalale yonke imali yonke into mingiyongena ekuthwaseni I think bank account yami bengina 65 rand
sure nkosi yami
from salon owner benginemoto bengineyimoto bazithatha awubine boyfriend I'm good dating site it's a problem
worse.
Yeah it's even worse
makachithi uyambona
yabona leyo yes makachithi uyambona
ish
and ukubhlungu ukuthi uzoyiqala uyiphupha ngithi bathi hamba umbuzo ukuthi yini la kufihlela yona yabo bese ngizoza kuwe like innocently like okay kunento ofanele ungitshele wena yini hayi wena ayikho into ekufanele ngitshele yona oh okay sharp hayi shoot ayikho babuye ebusuku bathi hayi unamanga nomuntu azwana naye ufuna sikutshela igama
umatsiliso
yabo ukuthi manje kubhlungu because manje soyamazela and makafika sokuchintsha nemood akusabi mnandi yabo because soyazi ukuthi wenzani and immediately uzomconfronta senyalo yabo kuba ngathi manje I remember there was a time baba ulasibon yami achita ne wathi ngiheke ifone yakhe and to be quite honest angazi didn't hack any phone but kwazenzakalela ine pin but that day ngaba able ukuyivula
ha ufuna ukutshela ifini
I don't know angazi nami ukuthi kwayenzakalani that day but
You are dangerous.
ifone yavuleka ngayivula kahle ifone yavuleka kahle ifone ngathola ama number we girlfriend bekufanele kuye ephathini ngaso sikhathi leso yangibribe mina ngibuyela necathulo Friday yakhona yena Saturday yazi ukuthi uyahamba hawo but ngisuspicious kanti lamalobolo laka uya kuwo wayengahambi nami hayi no kumele usale hey ini yabo okay sharp ahamba kanti mina sengiyazi ukuthi efonini lo ucele nemali bambuza nokuthi usebenzisa which account washo ukuthi it's Capitec okay so kulo muntu ngizivalela izinto ngaphakathi yabo angikhulumi ngiyamikela angabuyi la ngala khona kusho ukuthi azabuye the following day ngithi I wonder bebalobola bani mhlambe bebalobola wena usabuka ungitshela yabo so udiscover izinto bona bayeza bazokubonisa which is a painful thing because at the same time cabanga ukuthi mengizokwazela ama moves wakho ubhlungu kangakanani
yeah kubhlungu because I feel like at some point imize eminingi buildwa ngamanga vele you know isn't it true ukuthi buildwa ngamanga there's just a lot of secrets that are there
true that but I think mozwana namuntu nabantu abafana nathi rara ukukhuluma iqiniso sihethwe iqiniso sikuxolele
okay
then ukuthi uzokhuluma amanga because uzokhuluma amanga then as last
yeah uzoyibona vele
ngiyayibona bese bona bayakunyanya immediately mosondela phambi kwami kuba nathi this kind of smell awunasichitha awunana awuloyiwa ngawuna next but yibo sebakuphusha away from mina you understand so ama relationship engeba ku our last due to that
yeah because akekho umuntu oneqiniso vele
akekho umuntu oneqiniso yabo noma umuntu umtshela ukuthi okay yazi mina ngumuntu so nina amadoda ngenye indlela umuntu uzo understand angisafuna la ifunayo hayi no ngiya understand hey ngizoyenza izinto ngendlela
down the line things are changing
izinto sezachange meseka change umuntu okhona so uyambonela sokuba ngathi manje wena uyibodyguard or ugade yena yabo umfaka uma interrogation room kanti no bowufuna nje kuphela ukuthi akhulume iqiniso uzowazi ukuthi kwenzakalani
bosa sicecela ngendaba yomndawo kwenzakalani emndaweni
okay ngendaba yomndawo kwafinyelela ukuthi ngihambe ngiyethwasa again and manje ngisafuni yeah feeling engizwe lapha yani ibhlungu akumnandanga ukuthwasa
okay
akumnandanga ngihlala emzini omunye umuntu right
okay abakutraumatizanga
khona I would say bekumnandi but akumnandanga ngoba uyazi ukuthi angikho ekhaya angikwazi ukwenza izinto ngesikhathi sami
you are limited
yes you are limited rules. Certain foods you don't eat
okay
kunama rules uyazi ukuthi ukuphila phansi komunye umuzi kunjani yabo but yena bekasiphithi kahle so I'm thinking yo yimfuthi ngiyabuyela no this is not it mina ngisazi ngeni ngihlale lapho senginomntwana baby I think she was turning 1 ngiyageza endlini ngiyageza ngalokha from la to down angisakwazi ukuhamba
just like that
yeah just like that
no accident no what awanga endlini
ngulanga yalokha like kunefone eduzana and ngithanda ukusikhiyela ke ngisendlini kunefone ngibafonele futhi ngifonela umama yo ezani senginenkinga phela manje angisakhona kwenzani mama mafike athi mase kusokuyenziwani hayi ngithi kusho ukuthi fanele ngihambe ngiye la bebangibonise khona ukuthi hamba bazokulungisela. Sifuna ama-phone number manje sesifuna ukufonela uGobela. Uthe expecting simile size nani. Hayi basitshele thengani izinto eziso qala imvula. Inethe imvula ngalendlela ukuthi but manje mase kusongithi yazi kumnyama kubovu ngiyakusala ngiyahamba. Ene funny ne mengiqeda ukuvuma ukuthi okay sebayabona manje sesithumelwa my little brother ukuthi ahamba uyothenga izinto sengiyaqaqeka.
Kunemvula.
Ya ngapha kunemvula but sengiyaqaqeka ngithi akukhumbula bengasakhona ukuhamba ngasakhona bengasazifili sekunemvula okay ngapha sengiyaqaqeka because sengivumile. Bambe bazithenge ngafika lapha ebusuku.
But yes, there's something ifanayo like uthe na first time mawukuthwasa for the first time kunemvula drive imoto. This time it's another journey yokuthwasa again kunemvula
again. So that's a sign of showing you ukuthi yes ubambethe laba amadlozi but still umbethe abantu bamanzi. Right? Hence ngisho ngithi ngizofika kuyo leso stage sabantu bamanzi ukuthi bona how do they deal nawe certainly bona bazithwasisela wena kanjani yabo. Okay sifike lapha yana but ayingeke bakushayele because kusebusuku nani. Okay fine silale. But manje angisekho akuseseyimi angisekho right angisekho mnandi ukuthi yimi futhi ngiyoqalela this process. Mengena I think ngene this week the following week by lockdown.
That is 2020 ne?
Yeah. Lockdown kwazi ukuthenga kwazi kuyenza ngapha inhliziyo seyisekhaya ukuthi umntana ngimshiyile yabo kuzoyenzakalani. And remember nala first time at mina ngithwasa ngashiya omncane umfuthu omunye bekuyi first born, so I have 2 kids.
Okay.
Ngashiya omncane so namanje kungenza the same thing. It's ukuthi ngoba lo omncane kakhulu una 1 yabo loyana bekana 3 angisakhona uconcentrate. So ngaba lucky la bengithwasa khona ukugobela wami bese kuba ugobela wakhe. So ngithwasiswa ubugobela bayi2 ngesikhathi esi1.
Oh, okay.
So ugobela wami baze bahlale phansi nalogobela wakhe bangibize bangibuza ukuthi yini unenkingi. Ngithi hayi mina ya nginenkingi angiziboni nje kahle ngenza yonke lento le. But manje ngoba ikuwe ngithi but nami ke ngisengikhathele but okay ukukhathala kwakho ukuzimoshela isikhathi sakho yabo because yenza lento bona abayifunayo uzoba right. Ayimele ehlise futhi umoya. Hayi bangikhonsole bathi hayi this time awuhlala isikhathi eside.
Abanethemba.
Sengiba nethemba manje ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi ngizosheshe ngiqede.
In and out.
Hayi lona lizokenzela futhi kube izinto zakho zibe easy. Izinto zahlangana futhi akhumbula remember ngitheme sengena ngasana mali. Zahlangana ukuthi kanjani angazi but kwahlangana ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthwasa lo mndawo ngiqede. Sengiyabuya futhi manje ekhaya. Ngibuye ekhaya ngiphuphe I think after 3 days bangenzela umsebenzi. Umsebenzi nyana omncane because bekuyi lockdown. School stage 4 I think. Yeah. So kumela ngikuze abantu abaningi. Ngibuye ekhaya maybe after 3 or 4 days ngiphuphe futhi. Ngiphuphe lo muntu athi kimi yazi singokutshela into e1N. Uthwasile ungakangeni emanzini. Okakaqedi. Yabo. So sengine relationship no Gobela lo mkhulu. Ngiyemfonela ngithi hey man yazi ngiphuphe so athi hayi uzozibona. Yabo? Kusho ukuthi ayike uqeda ukuthwasa ke wena ulandelana nezinto ezigude yabo? Hayi
kusho ukuthini konke lokho?
Meaning kusho ukuthi ngifuna into engingayazi because yena uyenzile umsebenzi wakhe. So according to mina I think bekana lento yokuthi maybe uzitshela ukuthi akangithwasisanga kahle. Kanti mina maybe angikho lapho mina ngisengikutheni ukuthi
ulalela isithunywa sakho ukuthi
umamele yes ukuthi man labantu laba sebayafika again how come manje ukuthi because ngilento bebayifuna yomndawo ngiyenzile. Yabo? Khona ukusebenza ngiyasebenza abantu bayangena but angisebenzi umlungu. Fine abafuna usebenza umlungu ufuna ukuthi at least ube nebusiness. So bekushatheke yonke into business salon yonke into njengoba bekunge salon kuvalekile relationship kuvalekile. It's more like manje sengenzani sengiqalela phansi another stage. and iminyaka ngithi libe liyahamba so ngiqalela phansi and manje kubhlungu ukuthi le ngiqalayo ne ibhlungu because ayinagobela
guidance.
angina guidance.
You're on your own.
I'm on my own. Bayeza bona bazokutshela ukuthi okay into esifunayo manje bona mara into emnandi ngabo akusukuthi uzolibela uhlaba abanye njengoba bathi uyothwasa yimi liyohlaba na bona no.
So wenzani wathwasa emanzini or
angiyange emanzini you dream yourself usemanzini phansi kwamanzi bakutshela yona kunemlayezo yabo abayikhulumayo uvuke kumele uhambe uyophahla the way bona bafuna ngakhona. So I would say umuntu ohlushwa isithunywa sasemanzini it depends nakhona awungenwa ngizothi iyo yonke imoya wedlozi most bazokutshela ngenzunza bazokutshela ngenkosazana yasemanzini right and then bazokutshela ngamakhosi asemanzini and then bazokutshela ngabalozi.
Okay, I've heard about that. Yeah.
Yes. Which all those spirits are spirits of semanzini. Uba very, very lucky if you have all those spirits. But you are unlucky because of wonke wonke on the stage sakhe. Ne? I remember okay, ngaphupha ngiphansi kwamanzi, bangenzisa lento abangenzisa yona. Mawuvuka ekuseni uvuka umanzi. As if
ngathi bowuswima.
Yeah, ngathi bowuswima.
Or ngathi bakulahlele ku-swimming pool waphuma uthambile.
Yeah, mara uvuka umanzi, uvuka ujulukile yabo.
Ujulukile, yeah.
And then yiwe ngithi uzubona ngathi uyahlanya. So kufanele manje ukuthi ube ne-way forward, kumele ulibele ukhuleka.
Umthandazo kaJesu.
Yeah, uyakhuleka, uyaxhumana nabo. That's how you uxhumana nabo ngakhona. Umkhuleko bazokwazi ukuthi badirect ukuthi manje because imimoya yasemanzini most of the time yona yabona idlozi line break. Idlozi lakwazi ukuphi break but le mimoya ayikuphi break iphila kuwe 24/7. So yona iactive 24/7. You understand ukuthi isikhathi saka N sasisincane. Asisekho. Dominator yona and yona ijike ivale amadlozi.
Oh.
Yes, sekona bona. Eqaleni bengazi understand. Hence ngisho ukuthi khona kuyakuthatha iminyaka ukuthi uzi understand. Mengisathwasa, muyithwasa kumele uguqele emunye ugobela bengakwenzi lokho. Yabo?
Bekunzima.
Yeah, kuba nzima. You feel like ukuthi ay umncane lo muntu lo. And ngaso isikhathi ngimncane.
Sure.
But makazoqhamuka ngifeel like ukuthi ngimncane. Namanje ziningi inyanga engifeel ukuthi ay angeke khona ukumelana nami.
In what way?
In a way yokuthi angeke sihlale mina naye sixoxisane. Angazi ukuthi uyangi-understand.
Uzoveza imphiri zakhe.
Yes. You understand? Kukuba I remember mengiceda ukuthwasa.
Yeah.
Right, kuye khambe kuzinto zingabhede. Right, akumela ngithi kufanele ngiyothwasa umndawo. Sekuyabheda manje angisaboni inqubekela phambili nani yabo. Hayi imile ngiphume futhi ngiyohlola. Angithi manje ufuna ukwazi ukuthi kahle ngithi ngiyenzile umsebenzi wabo kanti yini lengaka abayifunayo yabo. Mengiyofika lapho bekuse Alexander.
Okay.
Lo baba bekahleli eRomini. Yahlola aphume. Aphumele ngaphandle asithole sihleli. Kubo bonke akhombe mina. Athi uzofunani la? Ngithawu ngizenje ngawonke umuntu athi ngiyakhona ukukuhlola wena ngicela uhambe. Uyinyanga self wena. So hamba. Azange angihlole kamampela. Ngicabanga ukuthi uyadlala. Azange angihlole.
Waxoshwa?
Ya wangixosha. Hayi ngibona ukuthi okay kusho ukuthi kunento different kanti laba abanye bayakhona ukuhlolwa, uthwasile uyakhona ukuhlolwa. Uthwasile yakhona ukuphila life yakho but what's different ngami lengaka lenza ukuthi manje ngingakhoni ukuprocess ngempilo yami you understand njengoba ngisho ukuthi kula sebazoziveza khona ukuthi no wena umnikazi wena uyafana nomuntu wamanzi so mufuna izinto zakho zilunge phile usemanzini so ngiqedi 2 months or 3 months ngaye ngimanzini
awuyicedi leso sikhathi noma kubanda nje kunabo cold front
hayi manje isikhathi sakhona
yeah
no isikhathi sethu futhi kuye emanzini yisi isikhathi efanele siphile kuso kakhulu most of the time kumele siphile sisemanzini that's when ke uba nempilo nabantu bami ngibalaphayo mostly amanzi because angithi njengoba ngisho ngithi bona bajike bavale this thing yani ubudlozi ku dominate bona kakhulu so each and everything that you do it through bona
kanti abantu bamanzi akusiki ukuthi it's a combination of nedlozi nanani together as like a team.
They are a team, but yiba ma leader.
Okay.
They lead. You understand? So I would say should maybe bayal two midlozi ukuthi okay hambe yenzisa umuntu oso ngesikhathi esiso. Njoba ngisho ukuthi ngapha ngisebenzisa imithi, ngapha ngisebenzisa amanzi iwasho. Ngiyakhona ukukhulekela amanzi. Ngiphuza phithwe isisu ya uphole.
Ukwakhulekela.
Yes, ngokwakhulekela nje kuphela.
Awunalo isonto?
Nope, anginalo. But ngiyazwa nje ukuthi bathi kumele ngibe nesonto but I'm not ready. To be quite honest, isonto. Sengibona ngathi kukuningi too much.
So uspecialize ngani kakhulukazi?
Mona abantu bamanzi I wouldn't say une speciality kakhulu because eqaleni abantu bengilapha kakhulu abantu abafuna uthando. Which mina for me uthando it's hard for me to find.
Okay.
But most abafuna uthando.
Yeah.
Ama promotion nokufemba.
Nokufemba.
Yes.
Ukufemba isn't like konje yini washo ukufemba?
Ukufemba I would say it's ukukhipha lento ekuwe. It's if ever hanjiswa nesilwane okunedlozi elifuna ukuzireveala from kuwe. Lizozireveala ngami.
Oh.
That's ukufemba lokho. That's what we call it ukufemba.
So le mimoya ingena la kuwe.
So le mimoya ingena yes.
Okay.
Ingena la kimi ikhuluma nami then mina that's when.
What do you do before uzokwenza lokho? You can just do it even now here.
No, uphakamisa umdawo.
Uphakamisa umdawo.
Because linegama lawo. Yes. Uphakamisa umdawo.
Owenza mawuse esigodlweni sakho.
Yes. Yeah, yona ufuna ukuthi uye ngaphandle nanani uyenzele esigodlweni unless mangabe ngithi ngiyafemba maybe ngizoqinisa umuzi. Yeah, that's when ngisebenzisa wona umdawo kakhulu. Ukuthi kufembe wona. Ngingasebenzi yeah, because idlozi nokulahlana.
Okay.
Lahle endleleni so umdawo uzokuthika through until.
All right, so ufemba okhunye uyini?
Njoba ngisho ukuthi ukuphilisa ukufemba
bring back the lava.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nabafuna imisebenzi.
Yeah, promotions
And stuff and nabaningulo ke amadlozi ke. Njoba ngisho ukuthi ngokugobela.
Yes, konje uthwase unamathwasana.
Yes.
All right.
Then now recently ngaba nelinye naba namanye amathwasa futhi ya.
Manje nawe sisinamathaso.
No, this young now.
Okay.
This young ngangena ngicine last year. Yeah.
All right. So emanzini ke khona ke na usabantu emanzini vane banenkinga ezinjani?
Momikisa abantu abayemanzini most of the time it's when you do cleansing. And then abanye baneyithunywa zasemanzini. Maybe baxhumanise neyithunywa zabo. Yeah, that's when mikisa umuntu emanzini. And then khona abanye fanele ba neyithunywa zabo oxhumana nazo through amabhavu.
Okay.
Kumele umfake ibhavu. So iyo ngisho ngithi mo dila ngabantu bamanzi awuna specialties because bona ba handle each and every situation. Yeah.
So when lapha amanzi abakuphethe yini inzunza abalozi or it's all of them?
Unfortunately nambe ngazi ukuthi abobani because beza bonke in a different way. Ne? Nini nozophupha last ukuziphupha kwami ukuziphupha kwami ne ngaphupha this lady ezazongitshela ukuthi ungagundila ama-dreads. Ngifuna ukugunda ama-dreads. Athi uyinkosazana. That's how uzozibona ngokuthi uyinkosazana. Ne? And then nini musemanzini I can speak namanzi. Ngiyakhona ukukhuluma namanzi. Understand ukuthi bathini. They say ngikwazi ukutranslate ukuthi okay abasasifuni la. Singasangeni. Yeah. 10 minutes or basipa 15 minutes. You understand? So ngathi ngiconsult but I consult another lady but we medium. Ne? Hence ngishilo ukuthi abasangifuna igodlweni. Abafuni ngiphathwe, bafuna ngiphathe. Yabo? So bengidida nami lemimoya ukuthi kahle ngizothi ubani because namhlanje kuvela lokhu and bavela in a form of ilwane.
Oh.
You understand? Abaveli in a form of umuntu that you would understand ukuthi okay phela umuntu ngizokwazi ukumbuza ama questions. So mekuyisilwane maybe sik direct nani then you wouldn't know ukuthi kahle ubani lo kwenzakalani.
Asikhulumi nokukhuluma leso silwane.
No, sometimes asikhulumi ubona nje ngama actions. You understand? Then you need to read from bona ukuthi okay lisho ukuthi so kumele ukwazi ukuchaza amaphupho.
Okay.
You understand? Kumele ngikwazi ukuchaza amaphupho ukuthi iphupho liso lisho ukuthi ngingajaheli ukuthi ngithi ngiyohlola.
Yeah. When ngingabona i-video ne someone was saying that ukuthi he used to pooper a snake ne but leso snake asimlumi, it's not really coming in a danger way, sihlezi lapha si harmless asenze next. So lokho kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha?
Yes, if upupha a snake ne it depends nakhona ukuthi which color esiza ngaso ne because of makwamadlozi anamakhala wawo mukuyithunyeza semanzini anamakhala wazo. So you need to know ukuthi uphuphe inyoka enjani miza kuwe. Mina firstly inyoka bengihlupha it's more like a python yabona be brownish and fawnish so because miqala ukungihlupha yamadlozi.
Yeah.
And then le semanzini it's more like a seahorse.
A seahorse.
Oh, into leyo eziveza ngendlela eziningi. Ngendlela eziningi. So yiyo ngithi sometimes uzithola uxakekile ukuthi
kwenzakalani.
Yeah, ngubani ngiyakuphi. So yiyo ngithi kumele uqile emkhulekweni kakhulu. So that you can understand ukuthi who you are kahle. Uhamba nabo bani umbethwa bobani. So this lady meka ngitshela ukuthi unfortunately baphethe bonke basemanzini nami bayangixaka. Ngoba umuntu kufanele angincede. Awuncedwa ke. Ngoba umuntu kufanele angincede how? Okay. Abeke idate angikho ngisendaweni eso ngisempuma ngiseLimpopo ngizobuya ngelanga eliso. Okay ngiyime leyo 2 months le ngingayenzi anything ngithi ngimele yena. How umuntu masekabuya ngimfonele sukuba khona. How okay manje singakhona ukuthi sihambe kusasa sengidlungisile izinto athe unfortunately abantu bakini abafuni.
Yeah.
Fanele wena uzihambele. And now remember I have graduated from Emfuleni sekufanele ngihambe isiziba.
Isiziba umhluko yini nomfula akusento yona?
Umfula elamanzi ahambayo.
Okay.
Isiziba elamanzi amile.
Oh, like a lake.
Like it's a lake.
Okay.
Not like a lake, it's a lake.
It's a lake.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just ukuthi ngesizwe isiziba.
Ziba.
So isiziba asihlali singenamnikazi.
Serious. Sinesiziba yazikhona lapha phambili.
Ngoba
Mawuya ngapha ngaselokishini isiziba lapha. Shuthi nakhona kuna something ne?
asihlali singenamnikazi waso. And nakhona angeke ufike nje ngathunywa khona.
O mele bakutshela ukuthi ihambe.
Mele bakutshela ukuthi hamba bazokwazi ukuthi bona bakuhlangabeze. Remember ngizothi mengifika lapha ngizothola umnikazi nabanye abantu nani. So I need to connect with my own spirits. So I need to let them and yibe kufanele bangidirect ukuthi manje so ngayi endaweni so. So I've graduated from Emfuleni sekufanele ngikhulekele esizibeni. Ngisabheka isiziba they say to me okay sikuphi imali. Sicela ukuthi manje uhamba uyelwandle. Like okay sekufanele ngiyelwandle. Yabona ukuthi manje sobe singi stress ukuthi
Do they choose ukuthi ngiliphi landle efanelekile?
Yeah, bazokubonisa ukuthi uyakuluphi ulwandle.
Okay.
Abanselo wena maybe uzicelela ukuthi engathi seduzane ngicela ukuthi ningihlangabeze endaweni so. Bese uyakhona. So I went elwandle ngafike ngayothandaza khona. I thought kuphelile. Aba uyenza ujabulile ukuthi hayi this time at least. Yabo I'm getting there. Hayi akukho mnandi.
Serious?
There's nothing nice ngolwandle man because ulwandle liphethe yonke le mimoya so you get to speak to each and every mimoya ekhona lapho.
Oh.
They wanna connect abanye babalahlile yabona abanye balahle bonke lobungoma so you need akukho mnandi
Or especially
I
for when a
think for
spiritual.
Nina,
Yes,
yes.
mina ngibona manje ayeza ngamagagasi. You know, it's
And
nice.
amakakasi anendlela akhuluma ngayo.
Ayakhuluma namagagasi.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Ngawabona aiza ngolaka like aggressive. Angithi.
Yeah.
Then akufanele ngongeni. Maybe mile ucele, maybe beza ngenkulumo abanye bayachikana yabo which beza in a different way. Yabo. So iyo ngithi akukho mnandi man kule journey ayikho mnandi.
How does it affected you mentally? Because I believe every day uvuka unendaba, you forget about your life somehow.
Yo, yeah, affectana yona kakhulu, but if una ukuthi uzi-adjust. Uzitshela ukuthi okay, mina what I did, I said to myself as in nani bogogo nabomkhulu nani nebona nemoya ekhona manje ukuthi siphilisane ngithi ngiphila ngami
Yeah.
nami ngiphena space nami ngifuna ukuthi manje ngikwazi ukujabula
Yeah.
because mona le mimoya le one akumela ngikwate
Okay.
akumela ngijabule kakhulu
Alright.
so mhlale medium
Why ngamele ujabule kakhulu?
mojabula kakhulu you invite them bayangiphatha kakhulu mawukwatile you invite them bayakumbatha so akumelanga iyo ngithi akumelanga uzubhlungu akumelanga ngijabule kakhulu
Mara kanjani
akumelanga uthande
Okay,
kakhulu so I see the reason why bangafuni si date maybe because of babona ngathi uzobuthatha ispace
Sabo,
sabo yes
usinikeze lo partner.
usinikeze upartner we understand
Yeah.
instead of ukuthi unikeze bona isikhathi sabo more especially thina esimbethwe amakhehla siphathe ubunzima
So now between my kettle, like, do they affect your behavior? Maybe somehow you behave like a man.
yeah kakhulu okay mina ngiyenza kakhulu mengidrive like ngingadriveiswa umuntu osifazane kabi that's fine umuntu wesilisa like ngathi ungama umshaye yabo phinde futhi uzibuyise uthi konje
Yeah, ne? Or somehow you see men in you.
yeah I see men in me but angifuni ukuallow ukuthi manje izi affect ukuthi ngizikhohle ukuthi konje ngiyintombazana
Yeah.
you understand
Yeah. We are shy.
ngiyazibuyisa angili one thing ngamke kusudlezi izilwayo ngithanda ipeace yami ngiyangala ke kakhulu
Oh, yeah. And the men, they do that.
ngiyangala kakhulu ngifune nje space sami ngifuna ukuzidlalela ngiyi-one
As in what is the common thing men they do? And I want to check on your side is it
Ukuthi
there?
khona.
Yeah. Because like king as before, but basho mom between gender enye yamadluzi you tend like somehow not 100%, but somehow you tend to behave
like them
like
maybe usukungaziboni
right?
but not to say ukuthi manje sekufanele ngichange igender yami sesengifuna ukudate amantombazana no.
Okay. Yeah, but like how often does Umkhulu Amos come to you?
I would say Umkhulu Amos lives with me
Lives with you. Namanje ukhona.
akakushiyi ucela kuye ukuthi mkhulu sengifuna ukuyenza lokho
So
You
directly
report
uthi uze
each and
kule podcast.
everything. Yeah, and kule podcast ngize bengifuna someone
Yeah.
kahle
Okay.
so I ended up like okay kwaba mama uthi why kanti ungathatha ulwazi lakho lolo nalo undlulisela kwabanye abantu because I think nabo bayayidinga this thing ondlule kuyo yabo
Yeah.
ngoba mina nginalento lokuthi maybe yimi ngiwan mawubheka ezinye izangoma man aziphili lempilo why mina bakwazi ukufaka amazipho bakwazi ukuphafa yabo which I can't.
Yeah. You can't. Awukwazi ukuba islay queen manje?
No, I was a slay queen before. Yabo before ngithwasa. Bengenza ama TV shows, yabo. Yeah. But finally mengihamba angithi uzofaka amahila. Nini nakuma audition. Mobuyi kwayikwali nqamukile. Yabo.
Hey basilehe laba bakho.
Ukuthi manje man bakufilisa ngenye indlela. Bayenza sho ukuthi umile uzikhumbula ukuthi no this is
So you can't do what you love, and isn't like when you were younger growing up. Can't you go back there and do that and come back to them?
No, kumele ucele kubo ukuthi okay, rather ke ngivuleleni enye ipath ke enizofila ukuthi nibe comfortable ngayo. Hence ngisho ngithi yabo nokusebenza umlungu 8 to 5 angikhona.
Awukhona kunzima. Abantu basuffer from where in most cases? I believe that you've been in this industry or pulela or profita for some time now. What is the common thing elokuthi you've picked it up with? People are not suffering from witchcraft, they're suffering from this and that and that. What are they suffering from?
Most people they're suffering from balahla isintu sabo kakhulu. Njoba ngisho ukuthi mina ngo-N ngizabona ukuthi abakithi bangali bafuna ukuphahle bafuna ukukhuleke ungazi ayikuthi uNkulunkulu uyamlahla no uNkulunkulu it's always there uNkulunkulu above us above amadlozi nani but umuntu uzomthola sakathi iChristianity akabelieveli kulezi zinto lezi akhohlwe ukuthi ezinye izinto awuzenzeli zona if they saying we have ama guardian angels ithunywa zakini no one can tell me ukuthi uphuphe uNkulunkulu right but uzongitshela ukuthi uphuphe samkhulu or samgogo you understand those are your guardian angels do you get me
yes.
So silahla lapho kakhulu sifuna ukufana nabelungu and lapho ke balahleke kokugcina because of abelungu nabo banesiko labo amakhaladi ngabe wathwasi so hence ngisho ukuthi ugokwami bekuyikhaladi ne
yes
only to find out ukuthi umama wakhe beka not palm reader what do they read with this thing but naye bekanaso leso siphiwe leso
oh
you understand
okay.
But sena ukuthi bebasebenzisa through like ngikhohliwe this thing yazi ukuthi yini but not a palm reader ukuthi ngikhumbula ngokutshela so that is why khona ukuthi ngihlanganise ama pieces manje it's like ama puzzle it's like a puzzle this thing ukuthi uze umbathwe abantu bamanzi kusukela kuphi you understand it's because of this ones they connected more into water and this ones ngamakhosi ngapha khabo baba most amakhosi and baba sebazohlangana yonke into yabo it has to go to emanzini so that's when I saw ukuthi okay kusho ukuthi I connected with these people like this because of ngilibele ngikhula ngilibele ngiphuphulwandle nga-understand why ngiphuphulwandle yabo noma kuzosendeka imessage kuzoqhamuka umuntu from ulwandle akhulume nawe then nginga-understand ukuthi why yabo so ngi-understand sengiyibona ukuthi okay ngapha baqile kakhulu emanzini yabo so we need to bameche bahlanganise babe into eyi-one yabo so I don't know ukuthi bangithengise kanjani ke ukuthi ngize ngimbathwe ile mime because of you don't choose
they choose for you
they choose bona if kuvume amadlozi wakini ukuthi umbathwe ile mimoya yasemanzini you understand that's when ke bakumbatha imbathwa ile mimoya and ithatha isikhathi ke ukuzireveal
le mimoya ne
yeah ayifani nedlozi yona ithatha isikhathi ukuzireveal and izenzela ngendlela yayo ngesikhathi sayo futhi yebo so kuba nzima ukuthi sheshe uzibone ukuthi you belong to water but uzozibona ngama signs inyawo ziyabanda like your body nje ihlezi ibanda yabo izandla zami ziyabanda but ngihlezi mina ngiyazizwa ngiyashisa but zona ziyabanda
izandla
ninyawo
so awuphatha ukugula nyana kufana nabo arthritis because inyawo hlezi
zikugula una next so right
yeah
health is just that nje yibo sayinabo ukuthi sikhona
yeah
nini nozumqola ngathi khona into ehleli yabo but sasemanzini like uzwe man yo ngathi
uyathakatheka
yabona leyo bakuzama kaningi bona bazokuzama bona kakhulu
abuza kwenu
beside abuza kwenu iqala la efamily iqala la emndenini anti bafuna ubona ukuthi lento ubuyithwasa uthwasa iqiniso na wenze right na you understand bazokuzama ine bangizamile yo kaningi ngikhe ngashaya na stroke
seriously
yes
but you don't really look like ngathi kuhaba ne stroke yes because normally the body ayisabuyela back to normal yeah
yes.
So yakho yabuyela back to normal
ngaba but sangishaya nje only the side
ebusweni
Only ebusweni la zange singi-affect.
Oh,
So
okay.
ngaba affected la umlomo wahlala ngapha esayidini.
Oh, Nkosi yami.
Yona it's a painful thing. But mayenzeka uzizwa. Because ngavuka ekuseni. Ne? Singishayile stroke. But ngumuntu othanda ukuthi mangiphuma ngibhema ugwayi ekuseni every day ekuseni. How? Ngithole ethi ngiyezwa man why ngibhemela ngapha? Ngibuye ngibuza umntanami umfana. Kuthi awungitshele nginjani? Hey mara reaction yakhe yebo. Athi hayi alright. Uphume kimi. Ayingabi ngesipilini. Mangithi ntombile yabo man ngi-disformed. Hayi ngithatha ifone. Ngifonela umama wami ukuthi ozongibona angazi nami ukuthi kwenzakalani ngami. So by the time kusho ukuthi mengivukile ngihlala ne this thing iba worse. Ilibele kushuthi ngilibele ngidisformeka kakhulu. Yabo ngiba worse mama makafika abe shocked naye. Then ngitsazi lento ngiphethe ayifuni doctor.
So yazi already.
Yeah, kusho ukuthi yona yakutshela njengoba ngisho ukuthi if you listen to your inner voice then you'll never go wrong. Yabo ngithi ay asifuna umuntu. Remember manje kunzima ukuthi ngihambe inyanga nani. I had this friend uyinyanga naye. Uthi for manje ngcono ningihambiseni ningimikise kuye. Because angikhona ukuzilapha. Angenzela afike naye athi sebakushaya ngelona bahlulekile na ngithi mina yeah that means so. Angenzeli. Ngibuyele endlini kufika another client yami naye uthwasile. Hayi gogo why so? Ngithi hey nami angazi athi hayi samsisigangeni. So phahla bese ngibuya ngisakwazi ukukhuluma. Shithi njengoba ngisho ukuthi kusho ukuthi ilanga mina libele liqhubeka.
Kuba worse.
Uba worse. Yeah, so ngisengiba worse. So
Yeah.
mase kufanele ngikhulume sekurola ilimi. Ngihlale about a week but azangiyeka doctor. Ngithola umuntu wangenza kahle ngaze ngabuyela.
Uthethe isikhathi sikangani leso?
Thathe about 3 weeks ukuthi ngibuyele like esimeni. Yeah, cause yeah the whole week bengakhona ukukhuluma ngithi and then ngasiqala ngithatha ama treatment wakhona nani. And then just 3 weeks ngilibeleke ngizinese.
Sure. Ziyabuya msine.
Kakhulu.
Yeah. But did you ever found some sort of like a reason why they tried to do that to you?
Yes. As good ngize ngishawe stroke ne, there was this client of mine. Momlwela izitheni zakhe. They wanted to kill that person ne. So mina ngalwela yena ukuthi yena kusinde yena. So lo shuthi makabona ukuthi lo ayenzekanga because bese bamuphe nama days ukuthi uzophila isikhathi esingakanani. Mengasayenzeki this thing shuthi babuyele enyangeni yakhe akwade and manje ngimsebenzile ngakhohlani ukuzivala. Ukuthi whatever yenzakalayo iblockade ingasabonakala ukuthi usinde kanjani yabo mangishaya ke lapho.
Oh.
But as we speak namanje this thing yenzeke 4 years manje ne. Yeah, lo muntu lo uphila sesibhedlela abazori uyaphila or akaphila.
So
Sakaphila nje ngomshini.
it's back to sender.
Yeah, cause kube ngifile ngabe nami abanye abantu abantwana bami abanamama.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Ngifela into angazizothi ngifela ini kahle cause ngifela kusho ukuthi ngisize wena. You understand?
Yeah.
And now lento boyenza uzozuzana.
Eish. Yo, hi kubi. Sure, hi kubi kakhulu.
Kakhulu. Yebo.
Yeah, yo, I know mkhulu, I think it's khuluma okuningi yazi.
Kakhulu.
Yeah, sikhuluma okuningi. My question ukuthi na abantu mabakufuna where can they find you?
It's sebenzisa WhatsApp.
Sebenzisa WhatsApp.
Yeah, kakhulu because my social media ngikho that much. It's number yami it's 065
Okay.
921 6477.
Okay, asingayiphinda futhi.
It's 065 921 6477.
Okay. So WhatsApp only.
Yeah, for now ngu WhatsApp only.
No
My
calls.
No, this one yakwazi phone.
Yeah.
So they can call or they can WhatsApp me.
Okay.
But I prefer i-WhatsApp man esikhathini esiningi because
yeah.
uzongifonela ngisendumbeni
Yeah.
yabo kuba ngathi manje ignore ama-calls and kuba nzima futhi ukubuyela kuma-calls wenu
Cause maningi.
because maningi
Yeah, ngoba sebadrophe i-voice note asho ukuthi
at
set up
least
i-appointment.
umuntu makazo abanye abawudrophi angithi umuntu nje uthole imiss call and kunzima ukuthi uzobuyela kuyo so at least umuntu makakungene ku-WhatsApp thokoza mkhulu ngifuna into so then you'll get back to that person easily.
So they book appointments.
Yes.
Okay, ukuthi baza ngaliphi ilanga.
Baliphilanga kanjalo.
So a day, how many people do you take normally?
I would say a day 4.
4.
Yeah.
Why haven't done so? Not 10.
Oh, mkhulu. If I can tell you, ukuhlola umuntu it's not easy.
It's not easy, no?
Yeah, because ukhipha in kumele kusale lo mkhulu or kusale sometimes akuza umuntu oyi-1. You understand? Kufika different people, yabo. So akumelanga wenze umuntu with an experience ukuthi okay lo ufika hayi ngiyambona phethwe amadlozi ayimele simlungisele so no. Abanye abantu angaba namadlozi but akusho ukuthi ahamba yothwasa. You understand? Maybe kunento kufanele umlungisele yona before besides ukuthwasa. Yabo? And then kunabanye abantu vele ingulo yakhe imbizela ukuthi kumele umlaphi.
Yeah.
You understand? Kunabanye bamthumele because of amadlozi wakhe kunomithi abayibonile unayo abazi ukuthi uzomnceda. So ngithi you don't work nge-experience.
Oh, kusulalela idlozi ukuthi.
Kumele ulalela idlozi lalo muntu ukuthi lisho ukuthini. Hence I always tell bengwatshela namathwasana wami ukuthi singabogobela siyayithanda lento lokuthi singabogobela then kumele ithwasa ligobele mina. Kahle the word saying gobela means mina ngigobela ithwasa lami kahle ngoba ngigobela idlozi lakhe ukuthi lithini lifunani yabo kubhlungu ukuthi uthwasisa umuntu ne kusasa uyaphuma kasebenzi kusasa uyaphuma into zakhe ziyabheda kusasa uyaphuma uyahlanya because of there are people who are like that umuntu makazoza ne-100,000 ngihlule ukumtshela ukuthi kahle yazi ingulo yakho angiyiboni ukuthi ifole emakhosini ifole isithunyweni ifola kuphi sengiyahlanganisa sengiyaxuba yonke into sengiyenza into eyi-1 thothi elinye idlozi lakhe le alifuni lento leyamduba yamhlanyisa yabo ukuthi manje
sokubhlungu ke no
akusekho right mina ngenze enjoy imali so rather usebenze ngedlozi lakhe ukuthi lona lifunani uyenzele umntana abantu ngalendlela lona elifuna ngayo hence nalaba yabona ingulo yabantu bamanzi imimoya yasemanzini ne most of the time abantu bakhona mabayohlola kuvela njengomndawo so kuyadifara you understand yo ngithi kumele ukuphuma en kungenele whoever khona ngaleso sikhathi leso azokwazi ukuthi abone inkinga because akaboni next engamqambela amanga manje uzosizwa i-pick up yakhe yabo yeah
okay so beza kuwe rubenza online
ngiyenza online then nofuna ukuza ema-walk-ins yes I do.
Okay. All right, mkhulu yasibonge kakhulu mkhulu nishara mkhulu sibonge kakhulu ukuza kwakho. I believe ukuthi sizokubona godi again next time. Yes uzasenzela isikhatha ngithi.
Yeah.
All right, me and you we will meet you on the next one. Sharp.
Are we done now?